Alright, hi, Zero here. Funny story. I just recorded this entire video and realized that I didn't turn on my mic again. Okay, so I also realized that I took kind of a long time to do the video, so I'm going to see if I can shorten it up. So, as you can see, I deleted my other little attempts at this, and I've done a little bit of work on this one. So, I believe the last time I left this off, we had a couple of memory locations, and then we had the addressing and all this crap. So, what I have done since then is I've expanded this to 16 bytes, addresses, whatever, long and 4 high. So that gives me right now a total of 64 bytes of memory possible. And then this can go, like, take this whole thing right here and like stack it on top of each other 3 more times. And that's how much memory I can actually store within this. And then to kind of give you an idea of how tall that would be, it might be up to, I don't know, here. Maybe a little bit taller, maybe like right there. But yeah, so a little drawback that I found to my little design over here is that I can't just change this, because this is the data in block right here. I can't just change this entire line of stuff to redstone blocks because I have that command block right there, and if I activate that one, then that just causes issues. Yeah, fun times. So, I had to do this. Now this is my little signal on-off thing. So you put in a signal, change it to a redstone block. As soon as you turn this off, like it is right now, this one turns on, changes this back to a quartz. So you have a signal on, it turns to a redstone block. You have a signal off, and it turns to a quartz block. And then, so I stacked those, and then I made another one of these, and then this one just replaces this line here with redstone or quartz. And that's how I'm powering everything. A little bit about the color scheme. Blue is going to be the bus, the main bus. And then a bus is just, it's like a superhighway for data. So all of your data, whether it be addressing or data or mathematical operations, all of it will run on the bus here. Now you can tap off the bus like I'm doing here. This will go to what is called a register. A register is just another name for memory. It's just a register is much, much faster memory in computers, not necessarily in here, than random access memory, which is what all of that is. So registers are used, like this one over here, to store information that will be used at a later point. So right now, this is the addressing register. So what would happen is that your data from your bus comes over into here, and we're just kind of tapping off of the bus right here. And it puts data into the data in blocks, right? And then I can choose to write that data to the bit blocks here. And then when I read, what's going to happen is this will change all of your addressing to whatever is stored in this register here, even though what's on the data lines is showing nothing. So if I were to set the, do the set or the write operation right now, it would go to this location, so all ones, and it would store all zeros into it. So that is how you can go from 8-bit addressing and 8-bit data all on the same bus, and that is through the use of registers. Something that I noticed in the video that I made that I didn't turn the microphone on is this right here is, even this is like more than what I need to do this. I think when I did the math, all I would need are 3 command blocks. And then that would be over here on the right side. So all it would do is you'd have the data in block still. You'd have the propagation down for the right, and then you would have the clone for this going to here. However, I'm going to change and move this bit block down to where that command block is. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have your data in, and then this will be your data out. But this will also be your storage, like your bit storage. And then I can get rid of this command block, this one, and that one. And the reason why is because for registers, you don't really need to tell it to read, right? So like as soon as you write data into there, then all you need to do is just have it output. That's really all you need. So I'm going to change this a little bit, and then this will also shorten up, and then this will also shorten up, and then I think I might be able to get it to 1 wide, which will be useful because then I don't need to go and branch off like I did over here. Alright, now another thing that I wanted to cover real quick is propagation. Well, not propagation, well, kind of propagation. The time it takes for a signal over here at this switch to go all the way through and all the way around to here. Now we have two different times. We have the turning on time, which is 64 clock ticks, and then we have the turning off time, which is 82 clock ticks. I actually don't know why it takes so much longer to turn off and turn on. But we'll just test this out real quick. So we're turning this on. All right, now we're watching these two right here, and they both turn on at the same time. Okay, doing this again, and then we're going to go way over here, and then we're looking at these two, and they turn off at the same time. Okay, so that is the current time that it takes for signals to go through. I personally think that this is far too long. So what I'm going to do is using these little on-off command blocks right here. I'm going to, instead of having redstone here and repeaters, I'm just going to make this whole thing just redstone blocks. And then it'll turn off and go to quartz blocks. And then the purpose for this is because you can go a hell of a lot faster, or the command blocks can lay down redstone blocks all the way over to here a hell of a lot faster than redstone can go and propagate through each of these repeaters. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to work on changing these, making them smaller. I'm going to work on the data sending through. Obviously on corners it's going to be, I'm going to need like another command block thing over here for each of these corners, and then also for each of these corners. And that's just because you can't really tell a command block to lay blocks in a path, I guess. So you can go in straight lines, that's real easy. So as soon as you want to turn, then you have to have another command block and have that run another line. So that's kind of a little progress update. I think I have shortened the video quite a lot, so I think that's good. And then stay tuned. If you like the video, go ahead, give it a like. If you want to see more stuff like this or get notified when I put out a new video, hit subscribe. And yeah, I will see you on the next video. Bye. Oh, and Happy New Year. January 1st, 2017. All right. Bye.